Today's video is another what I eat in a day. Originally, it was going to be along the lines of, using things up because we're in need of a shop and, just using bits and bobs up. However, halfway through the day, we were reminded by Facebook that it was actually our 7-year anniversary. So we changed things up and went shopping and decided to have a posh dinner instead. So we started the day off with a juice. We've been doing this quite a lot recently. Today it was apple, orange, lemon, the last of the carrots, and the last of the ginger. So that's what we started off with. Leo's having his here while he's making a Queen Amon. Again, this is purely coincidence. He likes to say that he was doing it because of our anniversary, but pure coincidence. I'm drinking mine while I am practicing Japanese on Duolingo. At this point, none of us are any the wiser that it is our anniversary. So that's how we started the day. Now, once the Queen Amon had been cooked and they were lovely and caramelised and golden, we, as you can see, turned them out here. They were way too hot to handle or way too hot to eat at this point, so we're just pottering along, making a cup of tea to go with them. And it's this point that we actually discovered it's our anniversary. So this is where things turned round. So here's our Queen Amon with a cup of tea, and with that went planning what we were going to do for the day. So we decided to go for a wander down to Leith, where there is this cute little cafe en route. It's called Milk. They have a lot of vegan options, despite the name. So we popped in there for a cup of tea. Leo went for the turmeric almond latte because he's not been feeling too well, and turmeric, it's magic apparently. And I went for the Rooibos tea, and we've never eaten here. They have a lot of vegan options, so one day we will try it. Instead, we went up Leith Walk to the Brass Monkey. It's just a little pub. It has quite a few vegan options, and in the end we, really splashed out and went for the £5 soup and sandwich deal and shared it between us. It was actually really, really nice. The soup was lentil, spinach and rosemary, and the sandwich is homemade chunky garlic hummus and some roasted courgette in it. It was really nice, and all of this for a £5. It was way too much for one person, so I'm really glad that we shared it because it was super filling. After lunch, we took a trip to the local Asian supermarket. There's a couple on Leith Walk. I think there's about 5 in town in total, but this one is our favourite. I think it's the biggest one, and we tend to go here most often. Basically, we're here to pick up things for sushi. We ended up picking up loads of other things as well and spending an absolute fortune. So much for having a frugal day and using leftovers, but hey-ho, we're celebrating. So this is what we brought back. We've got miso, rice, soy sauce, tofu, steam buns, ramen, all sorts of good things in here. And yeah, this is what we used mostly to turn it into homemade sushi. So we've got a daikon and carrot salad, a seaweed salad, and the sushi, miso soup in our cute little cat mugs, that's the word I'm looking for. And then finally some mango, some pandan mochi and some pandan tea.